In this video, I've been able to claim 1,200 new deposit bonus, and I'll be showing you how you can claim yours as well. So all you need to do is just follow me till the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details, and I'll be showing you step by step on how you can claim the bonus. And if you notice it's your first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, you share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on updates like this, because I'll be dropping video often on forex and deposit bonus, profits, how you can make money online in 2025. So make sure you follow me closely. Now, to get the link to this website in which you'll be claiming the bonus from, all you have to do is just click the link in the description of this video. It will take you to my Telegram channel. That's where I drop updates concerning crypto and forex and deposit bonus. So once you get there, all you have to do is just click on join. Then after joining, then you get the link to the bonus. So now if you click the link to getting the bonus, it will bring you right to this part here. As you can see here, all we have to do is just open an account with them, and we put in our details. So in this screen now, all you have to do is just put in your first name, your last name, your email address. You create a password, confirm, then you put in your phone number and also your country of residence. I'll do that now and get back to the video. So after doing all of this, after putting in your details, all you have to do is just accept to their terms and policy right here, and you click on register now. And as you can see shown on the screen is your account validation. Congratulations, your new account has been successfully registered. So your account needs to be validated. So all we need to do now is to just go to our email, and we'll be clicking on the link they have sent to us to validate our email address. As you can see shown on the screen, here is the email I have received from them. So what I'll be doing here is to confirm email address. Then after that, shown on the screen is your email has been successfully validated. Then it will take you to the portal. That's the home page of the site. So after in which we have to do next is to complete our KYC verification. If you do not verify, you won't be able to get the bonus. So to verify your account, all you have to do is just upload documents right here. And as you can see shown on the screen, verification for Tag Market Limited. Then you click on continue. Then you confirm your country of residence. All countries except from USA, and from if you are from USA, you pick your country. So I'll be going with this and click on continue. Then as you can see, provide ID document and liveness check. So I'll do mine now and get back to the video. Just to show you guys, this is a page of where you are going to register your KYC for your verification. So all you have to do is just pick your country and pick the document that you want to use to verify. So this is me after doing my verification. As you can see, your profile has been verified. So now go further in claiming the bonus. So to move forward, the next thing we have to do is I'll be dropping another link in which you'll be clicking on. So that link, the second link, is what we'll be clicking on to move to the next stage. So after clicking on the link, after clicking on the link, this is where it will bring you to. As you can see, it's very important that you take the necessary time to read this indication. These are the terms and conditions that are applied in making withdrawal. So let me quickly chip it in before we move forward. So the number one thing you need to be aware of is only one account per profile will be activated, and they are exclusive to use in Tag Market. To make a withdrawal from this account, you must meet the established amount, and once you meet the established amount, you can withdraw the profit generated up to that moment. Then once you make a withdrawal, the account is automatically cancelled, and you have no time limit to complete this established lottery. Trade must remain open for a minimum of 45 seconds. So after you have met these requirements, then you'll be able to make your withdrawals. Promotion accounts, one 0.2 USD must operate in 15 lots. So we click on next right here and we get in the bonus. So after clicking on next, all you have to do is just confirm to their terms and condition right here. You click on next. After that, you put in your details and you click on next. Then tag market registration email. Your account must be verified to proceed with this activation of this free promotional account. So you put in your email also and you click on next. So I'll be doing that. Then after clicking on next, will bring you right to this part. Here, place the screenshot of the email where you have informed that you have access to creation of this promotion account. If you do not have the invitation email, you will not proceed to creation of the promotional account. So all you have to do is you'll be going to your email, take a screenshot of the email they sent to you, and you'll be uploading it right here. So I'll do mine now and get back to the video. So as you can see shown on the screen, this is the message you will be getting. So all you have to do is just take a screenshot of this and we'll be going back to the site to upload it. Then after uploading it, you have to do is click on next. Then it will bring you right here. Just select all this, then you click on send. As you can see, all you have to do now is just, and here you have thank you, your submission has been received. So now after you've gotten to this part and your submission has been received, all you have to do is just wait patiently for you to get your login details for your MetaTrader 5 in your email. You'll be getting an email from them that will be showing your login details from your MetaTrader 5. Thank you for watching this video. If you know you have any question, make sure you drop it in the comment section. I'll be very glad to answer your question. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, most importantly, so you don't miss out on details I'll be dropping and updates I'll be dropping. Follow me closely and you will not miss out on anything. Thank you for watching this video.